Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing, guys? I hope so that you all are good. I'm also good. I know that you didn't ask, but I'm telling you that I'm also good. So, welcome again to this new video. Today, again, we will speak and we will learn the speaking. That how can you speak like me, like native speakers, and how can you make confident yourself. Okay, so what you have to be do to just use your headphone and just focus on my words only, and not try to be don't try to be translate in your brain that what's the meaning of this statement and what's the meaning of this sentence. Clear? And just to try to imagine what I'm saying, just try to overhear me. Actually, overhear is the phrase. Just note down in your notebook. Overhear means that you are hearing me properly, you are listening me properly. So, are you ready? Because you have to be watch this video till end. If you will watch this video till end, then you will learn more and more things, and you can speak as soon as that. So just focus on words and understand the words. Hey, this is Raz, and Raz is a 25-year-old. He lives in a small apartment in the city, and his apartment has a small kitchen and a living room and a bedroom. He keeps it clean and lights and decorated with lights, plants and pictures. And he loves cooking. It is his favorite hobby. After work, often he goes to the kitchen and put on some music and start some prepare dinner. He likes trying new recipes, especially for different countries. Sometimes he cooks pasta with garlic and cheese. Other time he makes spicy soup and fresh salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, onion. On Saturdays, Alex wakes up early and goes to the market near his home. He walks through the colorful stalls looking at fresh vegetables, fruits. He usually buys carrots, onion, apples, bananas, and sometimes new things tried before. He likes to the people in the market and ask them questions and learning the name food in English. While he cooks and when he cooks, like to listen to music, some relax and improve his English. He tries to sing along even if he doesn't know the word. His favorite song is Amazing. I love this song. He likes to slow, clear voice and beautiful messages. I like Raz has a picturing one day he wants to travel Canada. He wants to see the snow, which is beautiful place, and speak English with people there. He's learning English step by step, and every day he will be a little better. So one day we'll be ready. Now it's time to check the understanding of you. So your question is here. Listen carefully and try to answer in your head. If you can answer that, that's great. Your listening is already improving. Every time you understand a little more, you move on one step closer to your English goals. Question number 1. How old are the rats? Let's think in your brain. Answer yes, the rat is 25. If you remember that, well done. Question 2. Where does he live? Do you remember? It's not a big house, it's a small house. And it has one bedroom, one living room, and one kitchen. He lives in a small apartment in the city. Perfect. Question number 3. What is he doing on Saturdays? Let's see. This one has more details. And so on Saturday, he wakes up early and goes to a special place that's near his market. He buys some things. He goes to the market buys vegetables and fruits. He enjoys it and talks to people there. If you remember this, that excellent job. If you didn't get all the answers, don't worry. Don't panic. You are learning. You're learning. Just listening and thinking it is already helping you and making your brain stronger. The more you listen, the more you understand. And guess what? You are doing it right now. Be proud of yourself that I can do it and I can learn more and more things. Just say grateful. Just grateful yourself. Just say thank you Allah, thank you Almighty, thank you God for everything that I'm listening new things and I'm listening new things. I'm learning new things and I'm improving my English step by step. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video. Till just practice with me. Okay, bye. Take care.